Good morning. This is also going to be a hiking day. So technically today I'm going to complete the Erzse akna round trip. And this is the starting place, the center of the city called Tokod. And this is where the tour starts from. This is the first checkpoint. And after I read it, I'm going to start my journey. So this is it. So I just read the first checkpoint and started the journey. So here we have an old church, and yeah. So this church is supposed to have around 200 and some years history. Yeah, and here we have the plate. And according to the plate, it was built by the Szent István priest school or something like that in 1786. And here we have this nice thingy. So let's go ahead and continue the journey. Well, good news. I'm kind of on the right track. I just wanted to show you this beautiful valley. The sun is coming up and it looks like it's from a fairy tale. It's just the right angle as the sun is shining through the branches and the side seems to be wet from yesterday, but the birds are chirping and it's more than what I could ask for. All right, so here is the next challenge, getting through these woods without breaking your neck. Time to do some shit. Oh, spaghetti. Time to do some. It's a nice valley, and these trees are looking good as they have fallen in. All right, I think we can call it a success. So, after about an hour or so, I am drawing near the second checkpoint, and this is a place called Cholnok, and there is a wildlife sanctuary or something like that, and I think I found my checkpoint 3705. Yes, it is here, and let's read it. And 3705. Great. Now we want to make sure that we check the deers here. So now, as you can see, there they are. Can you see them? So let me take a picture. And can you see it? Let me try and zoom in on them a little bit. This is supposed to be able to do that. Yep, so there they are. And we are going to be on our way to the next checkpoint. See ya. So, this is an old, really old church. And this church is called the Church of Saint Barbara. And let's see what it looks like. But it's not that bad. And voila. Okay, let's go. So, this was after the third checkpoint, and it's basically Miners Museum. And there we go. This seems to be a really nice place. So, for the mining at Csónok and its commemorations, 240th it was statued by the government. And yeah, and there we can see also that one. I'm wondering if it's open, but anyway, let's go. Oh, we have this one. This talks about the borókási tárókör and the bányászkör. Okay, so here we have this wooden shelter, and it's called Hotel Trophy. And it is a nice view. Look at that. Imagine you wake up and you drink your coffee on this table. It's not bad. Not bad. Let's try to find our next checkpoint. Oh, look what we have here. A toilet. It is supposed to be here, hidden in the forest, but it's a clear track. So all I have to do is just follow it. Let's see. It should be a few more meters. And then it shall be revealed. Time to do some sketchy shit. Do that. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I'm seeing something. Ho ho! Here we should be able to get through somehow, or die trying. Come on! Where is the path? Bloody hell! So technically I managed to find it. This is the memorial place. And there we have our badge. So this was the hardest one to find. And yeah, see you in the next one. Welcome back. We are drawing near the 5th checkpoint. And I wanted to show you this beautiful scenery. As far as the eye can see, these are these green fields. Oh, and we have some that field as well. But yeah, here is the memorial, and we should find the checkpoint as well. So this is a memorial which is shared by another miner route, and yeah, that's it. So the last one is back where it all started. See you there. Finally the sun is up. I don't know if you can hear it, but the birds are chirping. It's getting pretty warm. It's really beautiful. So I don't know about my YouTube followers status. I was wondering if there are similar people amongst you who also like to hike or ride a bike or even do some DevOps engineer or programming work. I was also always curious whether I'm this, I don't know, strange person doing all of these, or maybe a couple of you in my followers are also doing something similar. Yeah, and technically in about less than an hour I should be back at the starting point, closing this route. So see ya until then. Look what I found, a small lake. I am coming down from the mountain, and this may have been like a mining lake or something like that. It looks good. Look at all those PET bottles. I don't know why people are throwing away their garbage here. Anyway, let's continue. So, hi guys, I'm back at the starting point, and thankfully I was able to finish it in like less than 3 hours, which is not a bad time, and I had pretty much fun along the way. And yeah, so I don't know if you can see it, but this is how the reward looks like. Hopefully it was able to focus on it. So that was all, and see you in the next one.